Wow, this is unbelievable, guys. Mamma mia, big mamma mia. Hello guys, welcome back with Chef Paolo. Yes, Brasato al Barolo, Barolo red wine, one of the most famous and prestigious wine we make in Italy, in particular in Piedmont from Nebbiolo grape. And we're gonna use this amazing nectar of God to make one of the most famous recipe we have in Piedmont, we have in Italy. This slow cook braised beef with this Barolo wine sauce. Here we have 1 kg of this gorgeous meat. This is the ram cup, guys. See, a lot of nice fat that is gonna melt slowly. We're gonna have this black pepper, some chiodi di garofano, some cloves, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, onion, some herbs. In this case, I like thyme and rosemary, 1 carrot, of course, some salt, extra virgin olive oil, and 1 Barolo red wine. Also, some garlic. We're gonna put all our meat inside the bowl. Some salt. Then we go with all the other spicy. So, black pepper, cloves, and cinnamon. And we mix very nice and gentle. All the herbs inside, like this. Our Barolo red wine. We let it marinate for 2 hours. And here we are, guys. We switch on the fire, medium fire, because we need to roast it very nice. We're gonna add some butter. And one by one, we're gonna add our meat. Look, so juicy, amazing. We go medium-high fire in the way we're gonna roast all our meat. And here we are, guys. Look at how perfectly roasted is our meat. Amazing. Well done. Now, we take it out and we let it apart. In the meantime, we prepare the base. Look at how beautiful it is. In the same very nice juice of the meat, we're gonna add 1 round of extra virgin olive oil. Cut all our vegetables. Onion, celery, easy peasy, and couple of cloves of garlic. We let it go for about 6-7 minutes, the time we soft all our vegetables. Here we are. So our base for our amazing Barolo red wine sauce is ready. Now, last step, guys. We take our wonderful already seared and roasted meat and we put inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1 kg with all the juice. This amazing Barolo red wine and all the herbs and the spices we used before to marinate our meat. Let it cover very nice. 2.5 hours of patient, slow cooking braise time. And here we are. Wow, look, such an amazing color, guys. And here we are. Take our blender and we put all this gorgeous base of vegetable and juice in our blender. Look how gorgeous is this Barolo red wine sauce. Mamma mia, I cannot describe to you guys how delicious it is. It's a mix of amazing flavors. This strong flavor of the Barolo red wine plus all the spices we use and the vegetable. This is a super delicious and gourmet recipe. Easy to make like Chef Paolo showed you. Let's plate it. Let's put some of this gorgeous sauce on our meat and ready to try. Ladies and gentlemen, our Brasato al Barolo, slow cook braised beef with Barolo red wine is ready. Now, look, I just need a fork. Look, guys, look. Just with the fork, look. How beautiful. Look at the intense. Oh my God. Mamma mia. Wow, this is unbelievable, guys. Mamma mia, big mamma mia. The meat is melting in my mouth, guys. Mamma mia. Guys, make this recipe at home. Your kids gonna love it. Your friends gonna think you're a super top chef. Follow my steps, make it at home. You will love it. Perfect dish for this coming winter season. And remember, stay hungry, my friends. Se vedemo. Bye bye.